Good morning to all. Yesterday, in one of the episodes on genetic engineering, a question was raised that was, is genus to genus genetic engineering possible as depicted in mythological description like Dashavatara? This question is being answered today. The answer to this question, can genus to genus genetic engineering create new life forms like Dashavatara? Answer is no, it is impossible. By human engineers cannot do this fully. But yes, to a limited extent, we can transfer some genes across species, genera, and even kingdoms. To explain a little more better, genes are transferable modern biotechnology that can transfer a gene from bacteria to plants like Bt cotton, jellyfish to mice like glowing mice, humans to bacteria like human insulin production. This is called transgenic engineering. That means from genera to genera, only certain genes can be transferred. So crossing genus boundary is happening, but not fully. As depicted in our Dashavatara, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Rama, Krishna, each one of these forms are totally different in the whole body formation. And it is impossible to create genetic engineering. You create such mythological bodies using genetic engineering. Anatomical designs, new organs, body plan, reproduction method, and neural wiring, all these things are very different. Genes cannot rewrite an entire organism's blueprint in one step. But as a student of science, if you look at mythological description, Matsya, turtle, boar, and then human engineers would need to rewrite thousands of developmental genes to reorganize the embryo, rebuild the skeleton, muscles, nervous system, change metabolism, behavior, reproduction. That means such a transfer is impossible by engineers today. This is far beyond genetic engineering. It is like trying to convert a bicycle into an airplane by changing the bell. Genes can modify traits, not redesign the whole species. Mythology, that is what describes Dashavatara, is a beautiful metaphor for evolution. We have studied organic evolution described by Charles Darwin, but our mythology also indicates the same thing, like water life, that is Matsya, from amphibious life to Kurma, land mammals like Varaha, half human stage like Narasimha, dwarf humans like Vamana, early humans, civilized persons like Rama and Krishna. It narrates progressively complexity very similar to the idea of Charles Darwin's organic evolution. In the last episode on E. coli genetic engineering, a question was raised genus to genus engineering. It is impossible. The answer is, it is impossible. To answer a critical question that was raised in the classroom by a student of 11 on the Javatara, answer has been given. Research has been done using internet and ChatGPT's help. I hope I answered this. Mythological gods, what has been depicted in our mythology, cannot be recreated by any human engineering, genetic engineering, biotechnology, or any modern technological activities. Thank you.